Question of the day, QOTD. Are you ready for today's QOTD? Here it goes.
My name is 𝐸𝐸𝐴𝐸𝐸. My question is, what do you do when you feel sad? How do you make yourself happy again? Bye.
Here are the winners for the weekend QOTD contest question. You can be one of the winners too. Guess what? Your answers could even win you some cool gifts from VoxTalk. So, what you waiting for? Click on the link below and get started now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Click on the bell icon to get notified every time a new question comes up.